Welcome guys, this video is about the ongoing discussions about whether Unity or Unreal is better, especially about graphics. To clarify, this video isn't about editor comparison or RPE or something like that, it's just about graphics, because that's a lot of people discuss about that, like you always know Unity from those crappy mobile games and Unreal of those stunning graphic trailers. And yeah, but I guess you wouldn't believe me if I say to you that this image is actually rendered in real time with Unity. And this is an image problem. Why is that? It's because Unity was free before and focused on the mobile market, and there's a lot of money in the mobile market for short little crappy games. And well, a lot of people created then those crappy little mobile games using Unity because what was free. Unreal is free too now, but Unity was free before and focused on the mobile market, as I said before. And that's the issue here. But right now, Unity is just a AAA engine like Unreal. And this is the Unreal version. I actually like the Unity version kinda better, but well, you could always tweak these settings and so on. My point here is that the look or the end result, the outcome of an engine, if it's a modern engine which uses state-of-the-art rendering techniques, doesn't depend on the engine. It does depend on the artist, which makes the models, the textures, and adjusts the lighting settings and so on, or post-processing settings. The engine is just a tool to create this outcome. And so you can't make this tool responsible for a bad outcome if the artist didn't do a good job. So you see, both engines both renders look like what you would expect in a AAA game. So you can use both engines to achieve the kind of same thing. Of course, there are differences because both do not use the exact same rendering pipeline and systems and formulas. But as this image proves, it's nearly the same. It's very similar and both look great. So you can guess which one of those pictures is Unity and which one is Unreal. If you use Unity a lot, especially Unity 3D and the lighting system and so on, you kind of can guess it. Like I would say the right one is Unity and the left one is Unreal, because Unreal always look a little bit more smoother. And yeah, so Unreal gives this kind of smooth feeling I always get, but I think this doesn't always look good. The right one, just want to verify it, the right one, this one here is the Unity render, and this one here is the Unreal render. So why do still people say that Unreal has better graphics? Unity is kind of working on their image, especially after this mobile crap game phase. So why are people still thinking, even game developers which use both engines, that Unreal offers better graphics? It's because Unreal has better defaults and those developers can't use the engine. Like, to get Unity look or like something like this look like in Unreal, you have to do way more work than in Unreal, because in Unreal you just look something in, put something in the engine, a model, some textures, and it looks great. In Unity, this isn't always the case. You probably have to adjust some lighting values and so on. But Unity always gets better with every update concerning this issue. So, right, that's it for now. I think I made my point. Links to those images and their sources are in the description. Just want to point out to this blog post by Not Lonely, where these images are taken from. He basically sells assets on the Unity Asset Store and on the Unreal Marketplace, and he made a comparison on how his assets look differently on both engines. And in my opinion, you can't say, well, in Unreal it looks way better than in Unity or other way around. I kinda prefer when you average the score I would give Unity, but in the end it does really depend on the scene, and you can always say that the artist could make it look better by adjusting the values a little bit more. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.